in north central Georgia, Walton County in north central Georgia, Central Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, Walton County in northwestern Georgia, Polk County in northwestern Georgia, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen already, not including heavy rain from yesterday's storms. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2.5. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin. Shortly. Flooding caused by hazard. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Intact. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Marietta, Douglasville, Lawrenceville, Carrollton. Milton and Kennesaw. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings. Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Smyrna, Dunwoody, East Point, Milton and Kennesaw. Relative humidity 74%. Occur in vehicles. Variable at 7 miles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. 3 inches and falling. Southwestern Zero County in north central Georgia, Cobb County in north central Georgia, DeKalb County in north central Georgia, Douglas County in north central Georgia, Fulton County in north central Georgia, Gwinnett County in north central Georgia, Central Rockdale County in north central Georgia, Walton County in north central Georgia, Central Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, Polk County in northwestern Georgia, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen already, not including heavy rain from yesterday's storms. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2.5 inches in 2 hours. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Marietta, Douglasville, Lawrenceville, Carrollton, Decatur, Conyers, Monroe, Dallas, Cedartown, Buck Canyon, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Smyrna, Dunwoody, East Point, Milton and Kennesaw. Turn around.
Turn around.
Near the site.